Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome all of you. If you new here, so let me know about myself. So hi there, my name is Sonam Jayant and I live in a small village, and my village name is Janta Jariri, and which is located in Giridih district in Jharkhand. So I'm an enthusiastic English learner, so that's why I have taken 60-day English speaking challenge. So if you also want to be fluent in English, then you can also start your journey with me. And I want to become fluent in English in 2026 in the end of this year. Of course, now it is 2026 in December, so I don't want to procrastination because I have been doing procrastination so long. So that's why I don't want to waste my time. So I have taken 60-day challenge so I can I just want to speak a random topic uh, more than 5 minutes. So that's why I have created this channel so I can share my experience as well as what method I'm doing in this journey and how can I be fluent in English. And if you don't have any idea any topic, so you can watch my video every day and you will learn so many words new, because my aim is learning 5 new words every day basis and one idiom. Then we will cover in this journey more than 300 new words, and we will use them in different types of sentences in real situation, of course. In real situation, if I because my main focus is build vocabulary. If you will build your vocabulary, then you will be very fluent, and your confidence will be grow. So that's why I just want to grab more opportunity to speak English. So that's why I have created Facebook channel and shorts channel, and this channel I upload short and long video so I can motivate people, and I can because I if I don't have any reason to present myself, then how can I uh, like um, uh, present myself, what I'm doing mistakes. I will not, I don't want to cut the any part of video guys, because you can track my fluency. Earlier I had no idea how to speak, how to present myself, but slowly and gradually when I started recording myself, then uh, I got surprised result. And if you also want to really want to become fluent in English, then you can start recording yourself like me. And I just follow this method every single day. I just want to learn new words, and I just use them in real situation, so I can build my vocabulary. And whenever I get time, so I uploaded one app where I used to practice a lot. Nowadays whenever I get time, so I just try to random people speak with random people. So I don't want to make excuses. I don't have any environment, because I live in a village. And if you also live in a village, so you can try to make environment around yourself, like you can watch videos, you can talk to random people on because there are so many apps you can download and you can practice with. If you have any question, any doubt, any query, so you can ask me in the comment section. I will tell you which application I'm using nowadays. So signing off the guys, and best of luck all of you. And you can also share this video with your friends and family members, and who is really want to improve their